In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a receipt from Docusign efficiently and painlessly in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to using Docusign or just need a quick reminder, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Docusign website. If you're not familiar, Docusign is a leader in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, making it a popular choice for many businesses and individuals alike. Once you've made your way to the Docusign homepage, you'll need to log into your account. Simply click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the web page. This will take you to the Sign In page where you'll enter your account credentials. After you've successfully logged in, your next step is to navigate to the Docusign homepage. This is essentially your command center where you can manage and access all your documents and agreements. From the homepage, look for the Agreements tab. Clicking on this will open up all the agreements and documents associated with your Docusign account. Now scroll through and select the specific document for which you need a receipt. This could be a recent transaction or an agreement that you finalized some time ago. Once you've identified and selected the document, look for the print option. This is typically found on the document's detail page, often near the top or in a menu designated for actions. Clicking on print will open up a print dialog window. Here you can confirm your print settings, such as selecting your preferred printer, adjusting the page layout, and deciding the number of copies you need. Ensure that everything looks correct before hitting the final print button, as this will send the document to your physical printer. While this process is straightforward, here are a couple of quick tips to enhance your experience. If you're planning to print frequently, consider saving printer settings as a default to save time in future steps. Also, if you encounter any pop-ups or issues during printing, make sure your browser allows pop-ups from Docusign and check your printer connectivity. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to print a receipt from Docusign. With these steps, you can ensure that you have a physical record of your important agreements whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy printing!